Hey, good news for the creator, for the people who love hair AI generation, a model. They are finding bunch of a model in a single interface and welcome to the Higgsfield. You can find here Lee's a model, and here we are also going to show you about a piece that you have on piece can leak listen control. Kling 2.6, Kling 01. Now it's your turn to come to join. Kling 3.0, the next era is here, where you see civilly acting very fast, most powerful, and your professional AVU. What features you have already checked, like their Kling 2.6, if you are talking about, you want to know about that feature, then there is Kling 2.6 with these features. Now is going to unify with Kling 2.0 that is leasing soon, and you can find details on the official future Higgsfield AI. When you find it, when it is going to officially announce, you will be eligible to see, and there is also about Kling model you can easily find about the other one. As dear as Kling. Like one are the model you can also check. Now they are going to be U5 professional editing, professional Kling motion control. So this way you can also sing out what you seen out like there was in multi-shine semagan then, but now it's time for Kling. Not just a scenario, these 5-10 second is going to convertible into 30 to 60 second. Yes, I am talking about the Kling 3.0. You are going to expect their multi-feature that is really inspiring is from 30-second view. You are also going to join here is also the expectation. You can easily see in the Kling 2.6, there was native or originator. They are going to unified in the next level. Their people will be eligible. And there will be 4K generation. V generation will be 4K in the Kling 3.0. And this is also really good for the people want to donate like this content. And here is Net's regional grid. Not just about the niche, not just about experimental model. This is also going to providing solo creator and small studio terms so they can create high quality output. And their Royal Kling is not officially released yet, but it is upcoming soon, and it's increasing vol defining. And yes, Kling 2.6 we have already currently released dear on the Higgsfield. When you will currently hear, you can easily check about all the model about Kling are here. You can see 2.6 Kling 01, Kling 01, we do added motion control turbo and air mastered, and everything is here. You are going to find, and you are also going to join what are the main difference in that you will find. This is not just about most important vertical, important mortal generation AI. This is about new upcoming with unified. Kling is not just going to, releasing this only feature, there you will find like folky visuals, needy audio and multi-short story blang in a seamless engine. We are going to finding the nicked flanker with somatic extension, and there will be 5 seconds to 15 seconds or 30 seconds. You are going to getting reward absolute. There will be scenario. So in this way, guys, you are going to find consistent content, just one prompt and your scenario, not clip. You are going to making scenario here. And this is the reasoning why people love. There is also many people who loved it. Near to 5,000 plus worldwide people love this platform and are very excited because they are going to making their day with creative engine, and your plan are here. You can even appear with the Team BS. You can also find a dear veer you find on the Higgsfield is going to officially announce, and you will find it. And on the radar, you will also check for the information how this is going to be a good feature for the people who want to know about this question. And here you can also come on the official Twitter to see Higgsfield with Kling AI and your upcoming iceberg as multi-short native creative video and long scenarios. You are going to join here with these Higgsfield featured as coming soon with the expectation, and people are ready, love this project. And their Kling 3 is your next future, where you will see in the market, it is going to making big revolution. Big change are going to be expected when it will be launching, and it is also expected they are going to launching it soon, and there why. They are giving you here a big news in the form of their post Kling 3.0 coming soon, so be ready to join, and I'll catch you next.